And we're outside Danang at a marble factory, I think. It's got some wild stuff in here. They're just really just showing us the artisans' craftsmanship. Buddha, happy Buddha. Do a quick walkthrough. That's cool. Dragon. Got a lot of happy Buddhas. I like these things, whatever they are, these dragon tiger things. They're badass. I'd like to have one of these in my front yard. Go inside, I guess. Oh yeah, this stuff you buy and take home here. That fish. That's pretty cool. Yeah, you have to be. It costs some coin to have some of this shipped. It looks heavy. Okay, well, marble factory.